Hello, Mum. Yes, I'm wearing a hat. No, I'm not in prison. On the contrary, I'm a detective. I teach people English now. Today's topic, 5 phrasal verbs. Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. No, not with my paws. Talk later. I'm being watched.
Hi, I know you wanted to learn English last week. But then it was raining. Then you had work. Then a new TV show came out. Okay, let's start now. 5 words. Quick and easy. No judgment. Only phrasal verbs and examples for them. Set up.
Налаштовувати.
Set up.
Whiskers, are you sure you know how to set up a fishing rod?
I've set everything up perfectly. Worms for bait, coffee for patience, and a motivational podcast for the fish.
And valerian?
For me, for inspiration. I hate waiting.
Take over.
Взяти під контроль.
Take over.
The machine's acting weird.
Machines imitate their masters.
So you're saying it's my fault?
I'm saying I'll take over before it achieves sentience and take over control of us.
Now you will make me coffee. Disgusting humanoids. Get started.
Run out of.
Закінчуватись. Щось закінчується.
Run out of.
Whiskers, we've run out of milk.
I suspected as much. The silence was too loud.
Should I run to the store?
No. Let's sit with the discomfort. It builds character and bitterness. Perfect for black coffee.
Bring up.
Підіймати.
Bring up.
Anything you'd like to bring up today, Whiskers?
Yes. I've realized I can no longer enjoy weekends.
Why's that?
Because Mondays exist. Their shadow starts creeping in around Saturday noon.
That's quite common.
Doesn't make it less tragic.
Show up.
З'явитись.
Show up.
Whiskers, this meeting started at 9.
I showed up. Time just refused to cooperate.
We need better discipline.
We also need better coffee. But I don't complain. Out loud. Okay, now for review, I suggest watching a short clip from the camera from the last interrogation. And if you want to see my full investigation, the link will be somewhere at the top of the video. Enjoy watching. You came to the flower shop at 3:12 in the morning. No one called you. The shop was closed, but the window was broken.
I saw the broken glass. I thought someone needed help.
Yes, and you helped by taking the money and 12 bouquets.
Just a coincidence.
Like when you took a delivery bike and rode away from a 14-year-old.
He said I could borrow it.
Really? He also said you shouted, "Finders keepers," and pedaled into traffic.
Are you just going to talk about every little thing?
Yes, that's called questioning, Max.
Maybe someone else did it. Maybe I was set up.
Of course. The flower petals in your pocket, the visiting cards with the shop's name on it, all placed by someone who hates florists. Makes perfect sense.
You don't have to be rude.
I'm not trying. It just happens after listening to you for 17 minutes.
Am I going to prison?
The door's already open, Max. You just haven't realized you walked in.
Thanks for watching the video. If you gave it a like, respect. I hope it wasn't boring, but if it was, I'll find you by IP. And it won't be boring again. Ever.